Okay. How'd that feel?
So good.
Finger. Finger.
Got to make sure your finger's in the right place because right now it's able to fire. If you pressed it, it would fire. There you go. That's safe. You ready to try again? You got it. You hit it. Good job.